All right, guys, welcome to video tutorial number 2, how to connect your funnels. Now, you're going to be logged in. You're going to see the screen, the home screen. You're going to click the blue Connect Funnels. When you click this Connect Funnel, you're going to see name, order tag, and mode. Your name is going to be the same exact name that you have for your funnel in ClickFunnels. So when you're in ClickFunnels, this name that you have named your funnel, just use that same exact name right here. Okay, that's going to make sure that you coordinate which funnel is inside funnel orders coming from ClickFunnels. So in that instance, it's t-shirt funnel. Your order tag. Now this order tag is what's going to be tagged on the order inside Shopify. The reason we have this is because you want to know inside Shopify maybe where that order came from. If you have 5 funnels running selling products that are to the same store, you want to know which funnel is sending the order over into Shopify. You're just going to want to put an order tag on there. So I suggest either putting the funnel name or the funnel name plus funnel order, so you know it came from us. Some kind of tagging mechanism that you understand for your business. I like to personally just do the funnel name. That way I see the order inside Shopify tagged as that funnel name, and I know it came from that funnel. So I'll put t-shirt funnel or ClickFunnels, CFFO dash funnel name, something like that, something that I understand. Next, you have mode. So you have test and live mode. I suggest when you start in test mode, just so you can properly test your funnel, make sure that it's working, and then go to live mode. So keep it in test mode to start. Click connect. Put that tag t-shirt funnel. Connect. It's going to create a webhook for you. You'll see the name of the funnel, the modes and test. You're going to want to click copy right here. Copy this. Go over your ClickFunnels your ClickFunnels funnel. Go to settings. Inside the funnel, scroll down and make sure that it's in test mode here. And then go down to where it says manage webhooks. Manage your funnel webhooks. And you're going to see in this, it's going to say no active funnel webhooks found. You're going to click the new webhook. You're going to paste that webhook URL right there, and do not change anything in here. Just leave that the way it is and click create funnel webhook. That's as fast and simple as it is. You don't have to do anything else to connect your funnel to funnel orders in Shopify now. So now you go back to funnel orders, and you will now be able to test this funnel in ClickFunnels, and it will start pulling your orders into the orders tab here, and it'll say that it's a test order. And that's as simple as it is to connect your funnel to funnel orders in Shopify. Once you test it in test mode, all you have to do is you have to click this pencil, change this from test to live, click update, go back into your ClickFunnels, go to settings, and change this to test mode, turn that test mode off, and then click save and update, and you're ready to go. Now all your live orders from ClickFunnels will start running through funnel orders, and you will start being able to see your orders and your products being mapped, and you're ready to roll. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.